So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Wallet Flipkart coins. Now you can start off by going to your Flipkart account. So you can even use the Flipkart app. If you open it like this, go to the search, go to Flipkart. And once you've gotten that Flipkart shopping app, you can redeem and spend the coins however you see fit. Through there, you can navigate to your Supercoin rewards or loyalty section and select the option to add to Google Wallet if it's available through your rewards dashboard or partner enablers. So save the digital loyalty pass or gift card representation directly into your Google Wallet app for a quick barcode or QR access. So once you open those, got into your Supercoin zone on your Flipkart app, you can view your total balance and you can then add to here, which is going to appear as a specific pass or a specific payment method that's going to be used from that point on. So if there's an option to click on add to Google Wallet within your Flipkart app, you should use it. And then you can save the digital loyalty pass or gift card directly into the wallet, which is going to appear right here under your passes or different payment methods that you can check out and start using on your Google Wallet, either web version that you have or your Google Wallet app if you have an Android device that you can use. So these are some of the different ways you can add Flipkart coins. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Google Wallet or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.